One essential technique that you must learn in order to make your essays even better is called signposting. What does it mean? It simply guides the reader about which points you're making, whether you're conceding a point, whether you are talking about opposing viewpoint, whether you support your viewpoint. This will help to guide your reader along your essay. For example, here's some of the few words we can use in our essays as well. Here we have pragmatists, or idealists, or Luddites, or detractors. Just based on these words, the reader will more or less know whether you agree or disagree with a particular paragraph. For example, if I were to agree with technology, I would actually describe everyone else who disagrees with technology as Luddites, because Luddites have an irrational fear of technology. If I were, for example, to talk about technology being something which is something that's not magical, something that's quite limited in scope and in scale as well, I will actually describe people who think that technology is a panacea to our problems as idealists because they are not grounded in reality. Next, I will also use certain phrases in my essay to show that I do not agree with the opposing viewpoint. I could use, for example, it appears that, and so on and so forth, or it could be this, it would be easy to claim that. You will notice that right away, you have an idea that you don't quite agree with whatever the author is actually saying in this case. Next, we're going to use certain phrases, certain words again to signpost that we are going to rebut what we mentioned earlier on. For example, I've listed 3 words right here, yet, however, or nevertheless. For example, I could say something like, however, the opposing viewpoint is too hasty a generalization because, and I'll list out one of the scopes which I've mentioned early on in my introduction. That's basically what a signpost is supposed to do.